So I just replaced my carb boots. These are the new ones. Nice on, super squishy, which is cool. These are the old ones, and this gloop or gray stuff you're seeing is actually my attempts to plug some of the cracks, which you can see a nice crack right there. I think that was probably one that went all the way through almost. Yeah, you can see the stuff right on the outside. Anyway, so more than one of these were cracked in some way. You can see cracking along there, although the camera's not picking it up very well, but right where that little light's shining or reflecting. Anyways, and then another one of the super cracked ones. This one was also cracked all the way through, so that's why my bike was chirping and chattering the whole time and running it the last time. So I'll put it back together. I have put the battery back in, but I have not actually connected it, and I'm getting ready to put those in. I have to get a new screw for this clamp because it is